Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes, back from a bit of a hiatus.
Yes, it's been a while.
Today we're going to be making katsu curry, totally from scratch. Hope you enjoy it, like and subscribe. Let's get you started. Alright, to start off the katsu curry sauce, I'm going to pop 2 tablespoons of oil into a pan, followed by 1 diced onion, 3 sliced cloves of garlic. Mix and sweat them down. We're going to add in 4 tablespoons of curry powder, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of honey, 2 cups of chicken stock, 1 large potato diced roughly, and 2 carrots chopped up. Bring that to the boil and then allow it to simmer. For the chicken, we're going to butterfly the breasts. You can hammer these out and make them thinner, but I like to keep them quite thick. Then I'm going to use a couple of eggs, a cup of flour and a cup of panko breadcrumbs. Whisk the eggs gently, season each one. Then dip the chicken in the flour, then in the egg, then in the breadcrumbs, and stack them to one side. And repeat with all of the breasts.
Meanwhile,
once your sauce is bubbling away and simmering along nicely, pop in 3 tablespoons of flour and just leave that shit there. Don't bother whisking it.
Be a man.
No, in all seriously, make sure you whisk it. Next, put some veg oil into a deep pan. And pop your chicken in nice and gently. Do 2 at a time. Till they're starting to go golden. Flip them over and repeat. For this dish, I'm going to serve it with some shiitake mushrooms and some bok choy.
He said, please eat some shiitake mushrooms.
So I've just thrown the mushrooms into the pan, saute them gently, throw in the bok choy and a little bit of soy sauce, and that's it. To serve, pop some rice in a bowl, chop your chicken into slices, and pour your sauce over the top, and pop the shiitake mushrooms and bok choy on the side. Give it to your weird mate and enjoy. Hope you enjoyed that one, team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye, have a beautiful time.